Our tagline is "Come water your soul." Everyone has that need to get out and explore nature, be with each other, and so that's what we are. We're the canvas for that.
Red, this place is gorgeous. It's a literal paradise.
So it's been named Paradise Canyon since the 1950s, and stumbling across this years ago, I couldn't believe it existed, and we hear that all the time from people. So I'm glad you found Paradise.
I'm so happy I did. And I have to know, how did you discover it? How did you just come upon this beautiful landscape?
So it's been a campground and a fishing spot since 1957. And so we took over about 16 years ago, and it's taken us in, and we've just gone with it. And we did landscaping, and we've added a bunch of amenities, this and that, and so we've just absolutely had a blast. Taking care of families, letting people explore nature, and get underneath God's green earth here, and just go for it.
So what all do you offer here?
Most people come out for the day to go fishing, swimming, grilling, picnicking with their families, and so from there, you know, you can branch that out into camping. We've got both tent camping, RV camping, and we've got some lodging and accommodations. And then we've got our special events, and we've got live music, and we've got all the things you could do, from educational opportunities to corporate events to celebrations.
And some of the things I see out here is you have canoes, possible paddleboarding.
Yeah, people come bring their paddle boards. If you've got a water toy, we tell them, hey, bring it. You know, let's say you got your own kayak. Well, let's get that thing in the water.
Yeah, and what a great family-friendly environment as well. I mean, just this silo that we're sitting in right now is completely Pinterest-worthy. Every nook and cranny is beautiful. I mean, how did you guys come up with the idea to start building this and making this?
Well, so it's interesting with a name like Paradise, to go back to that, anything that you do to the land has to match the name. And so we just believe in not messing up Paradise and try and sharing it with people as best we can. I hope to show you around some more. We just built a new pavilion too.
I would love to see that. Good times, absolutely. Yeah. It's about the basics, really and truly, just getting away from your phone and society that gives us enough trouble, right? So
that's right. It's
good to get away from it a little bit.
Got to go to the wilderness. Got to get a little dirt on your tires to get out away from the city a little bit.
Are you
Katie.
Kevin?
Yes, I am.
I believe you're the one who's supposed to be showing me around these RVs.
So glad to meet you.
Yes,
Katie.
nice to meet you. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at the woodwork. It's almost like it's right out of mid-century.
Yeah, it actually is. We've got all, modern appliances.
Just what else could you want? I think I could probably live in this space.
It just fits into what we do as a whole out here at Paradise Canyon. It's about getting back to nature, and what better way than glamping.
I love it. Sign me up.
So the RVs are just one of the things that we offer as far as amenities, and I'd love to show you around, let you see some cabins and some other things that we've got.
Let's go.
All right, Katie, so we're here at the cabins. Let's go take a look.
Yes. So cute.
So each one of the cabins sleeps 6.
It's so much bigger than it looks from the outside. I mean, the lofted ceilings, you've made a space to sleep up top, and that's like every kid's dream to climb up and sleep in the treehouse part of the cabin, right? And I can already imagine myself roasting some marshmallows over the fire.
And the stars at night, doesn't get any better.
Big and bright in the heart of Texas.
Yeah, very good.
Perfect. Show me around here. What a cute little refrigerator too. I love how you guys always add this mid-century touch.
Kind of a vintage look, kind of goes back to what we're trying to do here, is go back to the family, go back to the time when it was about doing things with your family in places like this. Busy Saturday, we'll have tons and tons of people out here fishing and swimming. Families just having a great time.
Gosh, this is beautiful.
It is the Iron Tree Pavilion. I think it's going to be one of the premier venues in the San Antonio area in not too long. Church groups, corporate groups, family reunions, you name it.
I mean, you can see how much you've reclaimed and really given it its own character.
What I'd like to do now is show you the kind of the hidden jewel. So this is the suite spot. This is going to be at our executive suite for events.
And look at this awesome shuffleboard. I mean, really adds an element to the space. But the best part, we've got YOLO Texas on the screen right here. Watch anything you want here. It's incredible if you're not already, you know, taken back by the band. I've had an amazing time. Paradise Canyon truly is a paradise. But now I'm ready to go dance.
Let's do it. All right.